Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence.
Present continuous part 2, form and use. The use. We use present continuous to describe actions that are happening in the present, right now, at the moment of speaking, as we said in the previous lesson. The form present continuous has two parts: verb to be in present simple plus verb plus ing. In present continuous, we don't use do, don't, does, doesn't. Let's continue. Signal words we use in present continuous for actions happening right now are now, right now, at the moment, listen, look. Let's continue. So as I said in the previous lesson, we are not going to use positive, negative question. Remember just the symbols. So plus means positive, minus means negative, question mark means question. Let's continue. Verb to be in present simple: I am, you're, he's, she's, it's, where, you're, there. Negative: I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Verb to be in present simple question: am I, are you? Yes, I am, no, I am not. Because today also we are going to see just are you as a question. So the answer is yes, I am, no, I am not. Is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they? So remember, when you have the question are you, always write this form. And if the answer is positive, for example, are you swimming? So the answer positive, yes, I am. Negative, no, I am not. So with yes, write the full form, the complete form, the long form, and with negative, write the short form.